16 years and 85,000 kilometers later, this is my dad's bike, a 2009 BMW F 800R. Every mark on it tells the story of its time. The forks are dull, the buttons unreadable, the graphics fading away, and the headlight completely clouded, like a tie-dye. After so many years of faithful service, it's time to give it the light it deserves. As you can see, the front headlight is all fogged up, and I tried to repair this in the past, but with no success. So we've got something to replace it, which is here. Full LED headlight, like the modern ones. And now we're going to install it. This one is already coming out. That's the part. And we can do here the second one. So we just have to unplug the connector, which is this one. I can put it here because I need something to break it loose. Oh. Okay, it's coming out. Okay, very stuck. The most difficult thing is not to break this cable apart, because you have 16 years of cables inside here, which if you broke one, they are not going to work. You can see here. So now we can almost close this one, and we take the new one. That's the new one, it's plug and play, so you get it in and okay. I think that's okay. Here is the first one, and then it goes the second one. I put them in the wrong order because that's the other one. Okay, so why I did put them in the wrong order? You can see this one. It was, you will put it like this, and then you will tighten them. This was the opposite way, so it was the wrong one, or I had to put it in another direction. And then I can just and like this is mounted. I need to tighten them down. Now the headlight is like upwards, so I need to do the first yeah. Yeah, that's cool. But now I need to adjust the height of, or I will blind the other people in the wrong lane. So now I've adjusted the left side and right side, but I think it's still a little bit high. But you can do a better thing that I did. You can turn on the old one when it's mounted and put a tape on the wall, so you can just adjust the height on the old one. But now I'm doing it for first time without the without the measurement done before. You can see this normal headlight, tail light, and then. So now to adjust the height of the headlight, we have to measure how much from the, which is 90, from down earth, and then take 1% off at 10 meters. So this headlight has to go at the height of 80 centimeters at 10 meters away from the wall. And now we're going to do this outside.